most likely these are pang first impressions, yung appearance and your behaviors. Pero in order for a woman to stay with you, kailangan meron ka ring supportive side or provisioning side. So ito na yung ginagawa mo ngayon, yung pagiging gentleman, pagiging provider, yung ganyan. So in order for you to retain women for longer, for long-term relationship, you must also exhibit provisioning characteristics. Long story short, kailangan maramdaman niya that you are focused sa career mo. You are focused on your mission. You are focused on income-generating opportunities. Kailangan maramdaman niya that you can signal future resources in order for a woman to stay with you. Kasi nga kapag nabuntis siya, kailangan sure siya, secure siya na kaya mo siyang alagaan. Na kaya mo siyang suportahan. Kasi again, kapag nabuntis sila, di ba parang 50-50 sila doon. So they want a man who signals provision din. However, if you need to attract them first, di ba? You need to be sexually attracted to them first. So, Joms, sinasabi mo na kailangan ko muna maging successful sa buhay bago ako dumiskarte sa babae. So, actually, no. Pwede mong gamitin yung dating as feedback kung nag-improve ka na ba or hindi. So, kasi dati, kung ginagamit mo yung dating o yung pagdiskarte sa babae in order for you to know your worth, to know your confidence, to have confidence or to have, kasi parang sa babae nakatali yung worth tsaka yung confidence mo. Ngayon, you are dating to see if ano na yung level ng confidence at ng self-worth mo. If mas marami ng babae yung nagkakagusto sa'yo,